Creators Alliance versus Uscreen, which is actually better? In this video, I'll be comparing Creators Alliance and Uscreen to see which platform is actually better for video creators. So to get started, Uscreen is built for video monetization. You can create your own Netflix-style site, host paid membership, and stream your content with built-in tools. But the pricing is high, and customization can be limited depending on your plan. Creators Alliance supports video selling too, but it's more flexible. You can sell courses, digital files, or set up different pricing models. It's a better choice if you want to mix video with other types of content. If you're focused purely on video, Uscreen has specialized tools. But if you want to diversify and stay lean, Creators Alliance gives you more freedom. However, an important thing to note is that there is currently an ongoing Creators Alliance controversy wherein the customers or users are wondering whether it's a scam or truly legit because some of them cannot withdraw their hard earned money. So, I suggest that before using each of these apps, you have your adequate research on them first. And that is my review of Creators Alliance versus Uscreen.